Meaning of dress circle.
Dress circle.
Dress circle.
Dress circle.
Dress circle. The term dress circle refers to a section of seats in a theater or opera house that are located above the orchestra level and below the balcony. This section is typically located at the front of the second tier of seating, offering a good view of the stage. Seats in the dress circle are usually considered to be among the best in the house, with a good combination of proximity to the stage and a wide angle of view. The term dress circle is often used in British theaters and can also be found in theaters in other countries.